Hi everyone, my name is Diane and this is my pink bathtub. Today we're going to learn one of the stitches that is used when we shape our knitting. Sometimes we need to increase or decrease our stitches to create shapes, such as closing up the top of a hat. We need to decrease our stitches in our row. A very common stitch that is used for decreasing is called knit two together. Also on patterns it is often called K2tog. And essentially knit two together is exactly what it means. You're going to knit two stitches on the needle at the exact same time, which is going to decrease your work by one stitch. Essentially it's knitting, but you're knitting them together. So I'm just going to knit a couple of the stitches just to get into the row here. Quite often on a pattern it will, especially when you're knitting hats and you're decreasing the crown of the hat, it may say something like knit 6, knit 2 together. Knit 6, knit 2 together. So when it says knit 2 together, normally we knit in one stitch such as this, but we're going to knit two of them. So we're not going to do anything with the first stitch. We're going to go into the second stitch, but we're going to put our needle into both of them at the same time. We're going to wrap our back needle, we're going to pull it forward, and we're going to take it off the needle. And if you can see with this yarn, there is 2 stitches right there. Let's do that again. We're going to put our tip of our needle in the second stitch, push it through like you would knitting a stitch, but with both of them together, wrap the back needle, pull it to the front and off. One more time for good luck. We're going to put the needle in the second stitch, wrap the back, bring it to the front just like you would to knit, and pull it off your work. Now you're going to see you're going to have this little extra piece back here, and that is nothing to worry about because once you knit the rest of the row or section that you're working on, you're not really going to see it. It kind of creates just a bigger bump. So that essentially is knit 2 together. Let's also do purl 2 together. If you see this, it'll say P2tog, purl 2 together. So let's just go back the way we came. And I know you're a smart cookie. You already know what this means. Instead of purling one stitch, we're going to purl 2 together. Taking your needle, we're going to put it through both of them, both through the front like we normally would. We're going to wrap that stitch, bring it to the back, and bring it off our needle. One more time, we're going to put both of them in the front stitches, just like we were to purl, but you're going to do 2 of them. You're going to bring your yarn around that front needle here, put it to the back and off. You're going to put the 2 needles in the front needle, wrap it, bring it to the back and off. So those are 2 very common types of stitches that we use to decrease our rows. Our next mini episode on knitting is going to be about increasing our rows. So we're going to do KFB and M1. Knit front and back and make one. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are enjoying them and knitting things, please like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye now.